In this video we create this transition effect that you see on the screen. Let's go. So here I got this 2 clips. Let's have a look at it and then add the effect. So we are gonna go to the beginning, right click here, go to new adjustment layer. We wanna add the effect to the adjustment layer, go to effects and presets, type in camera lens blur, double click on it to add, delete this, type in exposure. We also add exposure to the adjustment layer, and then we are gonna go to where the cut is made. So here at the first second, and then by pressing shift page up we move 10 frames backwards, and then we set a keyframe on blur radius and then exposure. Make sure to change this blur radius to 0 and keep the exposure at 0. So we go to the where the cut is made again, and then increase the blur radius to around 50. Increase this also to 1.5. We can press U to view the keyframes. Now I press shift and page down to move by 10 frames forward, and then we change this back to 0. Now we can select all the keyframes and then press F9 to easy ease, and then go to graph editor. If your graph doesn't look like this, right click and then check this one, edit speed graph, and then select the handles and then adjust the curves just like that. And you can wait a little for the effect to be done, and let's have a look at it.